Welcome to our comprehensive guide on understanding wheel alignments and their critical importance for your vehicle's performance and safety. A wheel alignment involves adjusting the angles of your vehicle's wheels to ensure they are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the ground. This precision adjustment is vital for safe driving, optimal tire wear, and fuel efficiency. To fully grasp wheel alignment, it's essential to understand the three primary angles: camber, caster, and toe. Each plays a distinct role in how your vehicle handles and how your tires wear. Camber refers to the inward or outward tilt of the tire when viewed from the front of the vehicle. Incorrect camber can lead to uneven tire wear and affect handling stability, pulling your car to one side. Caster is the angle of your steering axis when viewed from the side. It's crucial for steering stability, self-centering, and maintaining proper straight-line tracking. Proper caster helps your steering wheel return to center after a turn. Toe is the most critical alignment angle for tire wear. It measures how much the front of your tires points inward or outward relative to each other. Incorrect toe settings can cause rapid and uneven tire wear, significantly reducing tire lifespan. How do you know if your vehicle needs an alignment? There are several clear indicators to look out for that suggest it's time for a checkup. One of the most common signs is uneven tire wear. If you notice one side of your tires wearing down faster than the other, or unusual patterns like feathering or cupping, it's a strong indicator of an alignment issue. If your steering wheel isn't centered when you're driving straight, or if you have to hold it at an angle to keep your car going straight, your alignment is likely off. When your vehicle consistently pulls to one side, even on a flat road, it's a clear sign of misalignment. This can make driving tiring and potentially unsafe. Investing in proper wheel alignment offers numerous benefits, enhancing your driving experience and saving you money in the long run. A correct alignment maximizes your tire lifespan by ensuring even wear, which means you won't have to replace tires as frequently. It also contributes to better fuel efficiency because your tires aren't fighting each other, reducing rolling resistance. More importantly, proper alignment enhances your vehicle's safety and handling. It ensures responsive steering, better control, and a smoother ride, making every journey safer and more comfortable. So when should you get your wheels aligned? There are specific instances and regular intervals where an alignment check is highly recommended. After hitting potholes, curbs, or experiencing any significant impact on your wheels, it's crucial to get an alignment check. These impacts can easily knock your wheels out of alignment. Anytime you replace major suspension components like tie rods, ball joints, or struts, an alignment is necessary. These replacements directly affect wheel angles and require adjustment. Even without specific incidents, it's wise to get your alignment checked annually or every 10,000 to 12,000 miles as part of your routine vehicle maintenance. This preventative measure can save you from bigger problems down the line. By understanding and maintaining proper wheel alignment, you're not just ensuring a smoother ride, you're actively contributing to your safety, extending your tire life, and improving your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Drive safely and save money.